Mhm.
Did you want your blanket, honey, instead of a truck? Or did you want to cuddle with your truck? You want to cuddle with your truck?
No. I thought you still.
Let me
Is
see.
this one?
Yeah. Why don't you cuddle with your blanket? So your truck. There you go. Get ready for bed.
I don't want to cuddle you.
You want to cuddle with me? All right, hold on.